Hi students, third exercise before up to 8 problems completed. Now ninth question. I borrowed 12,000 from Prasad at rate of interest 6% per annum, simple interest for 2 years. Had I borrowed this sum at 6% per annum, compounded annually, what extra amount would I have to pay? Answer. Sum borrowed from Prasad. How much? Principal equal to 12,000 time 2 years and rate of interest 6%. First find interest. Interest equal to PTR by 100. 12,000 principal means 12,000 time 2 years, rate of interest 6 by 100. Here 2 zeros get cancelled. 120 into 2 into 6. Total product will get 1,440 rupees. What is this? Interest. Find amount. Amount equal principal plus interest. Amount equal principal plus interest. So what is principal here? 12,000 plus interest 1,440. We'll get 13,440 rupees. What is this? First year amount. A1 equal to. So this is 13,440 rupees. So therefore, he has to pay the amount after 2 years at the rate of 6% on compound interest. 6% on compound interest. Now principal equal 12,000 and rate of interest 6%. N means nothing but time. Time equal 2 years. Now A2 equal formula. Amount equal P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power N. Here N equal to time. A2. Why? Because second year. Here principal 12,000 into 1 plus rate of interest 6 by 100 whole power. Here N how much? 2 years. Now 12,000 into here 1 into 100. 100 plus 6. 106 by 100 whole square. Here 1 into 100, 100 plus 6 by 100. 100 plus 6 will get 106 by 100 whole square. Whole square means write 2 times into 106 by 100 into 106 by 100. Here 2 zeros get cancelled. 1 0 get cancelled. Again here 2 table, 2 5s, 2 6. Still here cancellation after will get 13,483.2. This is A2. Now the difference between compound interest and simple interest. So how much compound interest? 13,483.2 minus simple interest 13,440 rupees. Do subtraction in this two, will get 43 rupees 25. 43.20. 10th question. In a laboratory, the count of bacteria in a certain experiment was increasing at the rate of 2.5% per hour. Find the bacteria at the end of 2 hours if the count was initially 5,06,000. Answer. Number of bacteria in a laboratory 5,06,000. If they are increased at the rate of 2.5% per hour, increasing after 2 hours. Increase after 2 hours. Further, now x into 1 plus r by 100 whole power n. Here, because n equal to 2 hours and x equal to 5,06,000, rate of interest 2.5%. For that, x equal 5,06,000 into 1 plus 2.5 by 100 whole power n. N how much? Here n 2 hours time. 5,06,000 into here 1 into 100, 100. 100 plus 2.5 will get 102.5 by 100 whole square. 5,06,000 into whole square means write 2 times 102.5 by 100 into 102.5 by 100. Here cancellation after 5,31,616.25. This is answer. 11th question. Kamala borrowed 26,400 rupees from a bank to buy a scooter at the rate of 15% per annum compounded yearly. What amount will she pay at the end of 2 years 4 months to clear the loan? Answer. Kamala borrowed from bank 26,400. Rate of interest 15%. N equal 2 years. Time 2 years. Amount equal. Formula P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. Now what is principal? 26,400 into 1 plus rate of interest 15 by 100 whole square. N equal to time 2 years. Here 26,400 into 1 into 100. 100 plus 15. 115 by 100 whole square. 26,400 into whole square, write 2 times 115 by 100 into 115 by 100. So cancellation after we'll get 34,914 rupees. What is this amount? After 4 months, the amount will be 34,914 rupees. So this is amount. This amount again, this is principal 34,914 rupees and rate of interest 15%, time 4 months. Months converted to years means 4 by 12 equal 4 ones 4 threes means 1 by 3 years. Time is 1 by 3. For that, interest equal to PTR by 100. Here what is principal? 34,914 into 15 into 1. Here time 1 by 3. 3 into 100. Here total cancellation after will get 1,745.7. This is interest. Therefore, Kamala has to pay the amount after 2 years. after 2 years and 4 months to the bank. How much? 34,914 plus what is interest here? 1,745.7. We'll get total amount 36,659.7. She has to pay to the bank.